Here are 15 healthy habits to help you build a successful and fulfilling 2025 physical health. 1. Exercise regularly. Incorporate at least 30 minutes of physical activity daily, such as walking, running, strength training, or yoga. 2. Eat balanced meals. Focus on whole foods, lean proteins, healthy fats, and plenty of vegetables. Avoid processed and sugary foods. 3. Stay hydrated. Aim for at least 8 glasses of water daily and adjust based on your activity level. Prioritize sleep. Maintain a consistent sleep schedule and aim for 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep each night. 5. Stretch daily. Add stretching or mobility exercises to your routine to improve flexibility and reduce stress. Mental health. 6. Practice mindfulness. Dedicate time each day to meditation, deep breathing, or journaling to center your thoughts. 7. Limit screen time. Set boundaries for social media and technology used to improve focus and mental clarity. 8. Learn something new. Commit to reading, taking a class, or learning a skill to keep your mind sharp and engaged. 9. Express gratitude. Write down 3 things you're grateful for daily to cultivate a positive mindset. 10. Set intentional goals. Break your goals into actionable steps and regularly track progress to stay motivated. Social and emotional well-being. 11. Nurture relationships. Spend quality time with loved ones and actively listen to their thoughts and feelings. 12. Give back. Volunteer, donate, or help someone in need. It fosters connection and purpose. 13. Create healthy boundaries. Learn to say no and prioritize activities that align with your values and goals. Productivity and growth. 14. Follow a morning routine. Start your day with purpose, whether it's exercising, journaling, or planning your day. 15. Declutter regularly. Organize your space and remove distractions to improve focus and create a sense of calm. These habits, practiced consistently, can transform your health, mindset, and productivity in 2025.